फर्स्ट फोटो, पहले फोटो, ग्रुप फोटो. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Should we sit? Ah.
So we can open it up to some Q&As, or first actually let's get Sabir, Shraddha and Tiger to say a few words.
Really quickly, I want to thank every single person who's been on the film. It's been a really tough film to make. We've stuck it out together. I think it's been a great journey. Secondly, and most importantly, I'd like to dedicate this film to the art of Kalari Payattu. It's a very important theme in the film, and it's very close to our heart. Thank you.
Tiger?
Good evening or afternoon. Hi. Thank you. मुझे याद है 2 साल पहले आया था यहाँ for my first film Heropanti, and 2 years later I'm here. I haven't stepped into PVR since then. But I'm very thankful, बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ मैं to Sajid sir, Siddharth sir, Sabir sir, my director, Shraddha, and the rest of the team, Bagi team, of course. I'm blessed to be here today, and I'm blessed to be a part of such an honest, real film. I'm blessed to have a chance to show a little bit of my talent again. I'm very thankful that I've met so many new people in this journey. First time working with Shraddha Kapoor. I mean, being such a big star that she is, you know, when you're talking to her, she doesn't, you know, she behaves so normal and simple. It's just inspiring being around her. And so thank you so much, Shraddha. Again, we're repeating, other than Shraddha, the Heropanti team from Siddharth sir, Sajid sir, and Sabir sir, of course. Blessed to be working with them, and I hope Sajid sir won't be sick of me after this film. But yeah, I'm just very fortunate, and I just hope you guys enjoyed the trailer. I'll pass it on to Shraddha now.
Hi everyone. It's really, really nice to see all you guys there, all you kids out there behind. Hi everyone. It's nice that you guys came to see our trailer. I hope you really liked it. I'm sure that you guys are crazy about everything that Tiger does. Aren't you guys? Exactly. Exactly. And nobody can do what he does.
Except for Shraddha Kapoor.
I tried a few kicks here and there. I tried to do that, but it's really, really, really awesome to be included in the Heropanti team now. The energy that was there in that film, and Sabir sir and Tiger's combination, of course. So thank you so much for including me in this film. This experience has been really, really nice. बहुत ही memorable experience रहा है. बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला. To do scenes with Tiger. Tiger इतने inspiring है, just the way that he is. And of course, Sabir sir, की जो positivity रही है on sets, it's totally unmatchable. And to come back again with UTV, and it's my first film with Sajid sir. So here's hoping that there are many, many, many more. Yeah, so I'm really excited. Got to do a lot of new things in this film. Learn new things, as I said. And hope you all enjoy the movie as well. Thank you.
We can now open it up to some Q&As.
हाय टाइगर, दिस इज आरजे आलोक, आपके लेफ्ट में.
कहाँ सर?
यहाँ से.
हाय सर.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि 14 मार्च कोई खास पर्टिकुलर पहले से प्लान था, क्योंकि आमिर का भी बर्थडे है. लास्ट टाइम वो ऑडी 2 में आए थे जहाँ पे हीरोपंती
लॉन्च हुई थी. हाँ, नहीं ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. यू कैन आस्क साजिद सर और साबिर सर.
सही सर, आप बता दें.
15 Shraddha was not there. So that's why 14.
टाइगर श्रद्धा, आप दोनों में सबसे ज्यादा रेबल कौन है और सबसे ज्यादा किस बात के लिए आप बागी बन सकते हैं असल जिंदगी में?
I think टाइगर इज डेफिनेटली बहुत ही बड़े रेबल है टाइगर, क्योंकि इन अ वेरी गुड एंड पॉजिटिव वे जिस तरह से ये फोकस्ड रहते हैं जो ये करते हैं। आई मीन आप सबने ट्रेलर में देखा है कि किस तरह के रिबेल है ये, तो डेफिनेटली टाइगर इज एन अमेजिंग रिबेल आई वुड से।
जी बागी हूँ मैं एक मकसद के लिए, पर I'm not not just
Hi.
like that. Actually, हकीकत में I haven't. I'm really not much of a बागी, पर जी कोशिश करता हूँ मैं whatever I believe in, to stand firmly by that, and even if that means I have to be a बागी for it, तो ज़रूर जी इस मामले में I can be a बागी, yes.
नहीं, इसमें तो अभी इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है ना बागी में, अभी अभी तो इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया है।
Hello.
Hi, I am from the Bus Diary. My question is to both you guys, Tiger and Shraddha. Has the realization struck yet that there's so much adulation, the way these guys were screaming when the trailer was on? Has it struck yet? You guys are stars, big stars.
Yeah, I think when the first time when we watched it, I was lost in the trailer. But then the second time when it played again, I started listening to the reactions, and that was really gave me goosebumps, and it was really flattering, and it feels good when all your hard work gets applauded, and gets that adulation. So it's all worth it at the end. Yeah. Thank you so much, by the way, for loving our trailer. Thank you.
Hi, Shraddha.
Hi, Tiger
Just
here.
to add to that, if I may, the first time that we both actually saw the trailer, we were really excited. हम बहुत charged up हो गए, हम almost हमारी सीट से हम गिर गए और साबिर सर वहीं पे थे, और हमें the energy जो energy है ट्रेलर में, it just got into us somehow, और Sabir sir is the reason why this trailer is so amazing, because day and night he has been into it.
I think it's the entire team is behind it, and hats off to everyone on it. Yeah.
But yeah, definitely बहुत अच्छा लगता है when all you guys over there are cheering and shouting and enjoying the trailer. It encourages you, so अच्छा लगता है, and you feel good about it.
Hi, Tiger here from ITV Network. वसीम अख्तर here.
Hi, sir.
प्रोमो देख के यार एनर्जी आ गई, ऐसा लग रहा है कि तोड़ फोड़ देने का दिल कर रहा है. It's like that.
गलत बात है सर.
अच्छा, ये तो अच्छी बात है कि दूसरी फिल्म आ रही है 2 साल के बाद, लेकिन 2 साल इतना बड़ा गैप, क्योंकि आपने डेब्यू किया था 2 साल पहले.
हाँ जी.
जब कोई न्यू कमर आता है तो लगातार 3-4 फिल्में उसको मिल ही जाती हैं तकरीबन 2 साल के अंदर.
बिल्कुल.
So what was the reason behind?
I was just not in a rush, sir. I thought हीरोपंती में मुझे बहुत प्यार मिली है, बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि I've got acceptance so early. So keeping that in mind, एक expectation है मुझ पे, एक उम्मीद है मुझ पे अभी. So I think the second film is as important or maybe more important than the first film. So I just wanted to make the right choice and take my time, and thankfully my producer, my director, gave me that time to prepare for this.
और वो नतीजा आप देख रहे हो इस ट्रेलर में.
श्रद्धा, ये सवाल आपसे मैं पूछना ही चाह रहा था कि मतलब आप अपने आप को लकी मानती हैं कि जितनी भी फिल्में कर रही हैं लगातार हिट दी जा रही हैं, तो ये तो गारंटेड है कि पीछे वाले नॉइज से आपको पता चल गया होगा कि ये भी सुपर डुपर हिट है.
Fingers crossed, I hope so. I think सबकी उम्मीद, सबका विश यही होता है कि जो भी फिल्म वो करे वो हिट बन जाए और ऑडियंस जाके देखे. तो आई डेफिनेटली होप कि दिस वन ऑल्सो लॉट्स ऑफ पीपल गो एंड वॉच इट और सबको मज़ा आए आफ्टर वॉचिंग इट. दैट्स ऑल आई होप फॉर.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Shraddha, hi.
Hello.
Shraddha, we saw you learning, all the moves for ABCD2. You dance so well. And now we
Thank
see
you.
you are breaking your bones. Breaking bones
My
literally.
bones?
Not
I'm
your
breaking
bones.
my bones? You mean other people's?
Other people. How was it? How has the journey been? I mean, doing, all this, taking all the...
All trying to do what Tiger can do.
Yeah.
Basically. बहुत मज़ा आया, बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया, कुछ अलग करने को मिला। साबिर सर ने कहा कि इस फिल्म में यू हैव टू डू सम एक्शन एंड that's the part of the character. And of course, when you have Tiger with you, then you get all the tips. वो tips मिल जाते हैं और वो encouragement मिल जाती है। बहुत मज़ा आया, और उम्मीद है कि people like the effort that I've put in.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tiger here.
Hi.
आपके फादर ने भी बगावती तेवर दिखाए थे अपने जमाने में हीरो में।
और अभी भी दिखाते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, और हाँ, और आपने भी इस फिल्म में आपने जो अपनी शुरुआत की फिल्म में,
हाँ जी।
उसमें भी बगावती तेवर थे।
कोशिश तो करी मैंने। हाँ जी, थैंक यू।
जहाँ तक एक्शन की बात है तो एक्शन में आप उनके भी बाप निकले। लेकिन एक्सप्रेशन में आपके फादर को आप बीट नहीं कर पाए।
नहीं, कोई टक्कर में नहीं है उनका।
तो आप ज्यादा बेहतर बागी किसको मानते हैं, अपने पापा को या अपने को?
पापा, हैंड्स डाउन पापा, कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है
जी। और दोबारा इसी टीम के साथ जुड़ने की कोई खास वजह?
किस्मत अच्छी थी मेरी। थैंक यू।
Tiger, like in the trailer looks amazing. Yeah. Priyanka from India Forums.
Hi.
The trailer looks amazing.
Thank
You're
you.
both fabulous in
Thank
the
you.
trailer.
Thank
We have seen you pack some good powerful punches. So in real life, कभी किसी को धोया है ऐसे?
नो बिल्कुल नहीं। आई एम द टोटल ऑपोजिट।
real life में Tiger is the total opposite of what you guys see. He's
Never in college days or
नहीं, एक्चुअली इन द स्टोरी क्या, एक्चुअली आई यूज्ड टू गेट बुलीड अ लॉट, बट आई यूज्ड टू नेवर लेट एनीबॉडी विन, क्योंकि आई एम अ वेरी फास्ट रनर, तो हमेशा भाग जाता था।
श्रद्धा, आप इसमें एक्शन करते हुए काफ़ी अच्छी दिख रही हैं, तो
Thank
पहले
you.
कौन सी एक्शन मूवी आपने देखी थी कि आप में चाहत जगी थी कि एक्शन फिल्म करनी है और मुझे भी हीरो के बराबर असिस्टेंट करने हैं?
एक्चुअली जब मैंने टाइगर को देखा, जब वो अपना डेब्यू कर रहे थे, फर्स्ट टाइम हम सब ने देखा कि देयर इज एन एक्टर हु इज डूइंग फ्लिप्स कर रहे हैं हवे में, डबल एक किक, ये मुझे वर्ड्स भी नहीं पता, पर बेसिकली जब बागी ऑफर हुई थी मुझे, तो मैं अंदर से मतलब विश करी थी कि आई होप कि मुझे भी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले टू डू सम एक्शन। सो बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स टाइगर के साथ आई विल बी शेयरिंग स्क्रीन स्पेस, सो आई थॉट कि अच्छा होगा अगर मुझे भी मौका मिला, तो वो हो गया। सो दैट्स
आप
Good.
साबिर सर,
क्या
सर,
खास
here,
प्रिपरेशन की? आप
वसीम,
बता रही थी कुछ प्रिपरेशन
आपसे
के
सवाल
बारे में।
मेरा ये है कि एक्शन फिल्म है ये, ओ आई एम सॉरी, प्लीज गो अहेड।
आप कुछ प्रिपरेशन के बारे में बता रही थी, आपको कुछ खास, बहुत कुछ नया सीखा आपने, तो क्या क्या नया सीखा?
जी, हम बैंकॉक में थे और वहाँ के बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक्शन डायरेक्टर केचा सर राइट, केचा सर ने हमें ट्रेन किया, मुझे ट्रेन किया, और पहली बार किक्स ट्राई कर रही थी, पंचेस ट्राई कर रही थी, बॉडी में जो मसल्स है जिनका जो एग्जिस्ट होते हैं वो भी पता नहीं चला कि अरे ये भी मसल है वहाँ पे जो दर्द होता था। तो डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ वेरी न्यू एक्सपीरियंस। और जो उनकी टीम थी, केचा सर की टीम, दे वर सुपर्ब, अमेजिंग, तो दैट एक्सपीरियंस वाज रियली नाइस। Attending? Oh, thank you so much. Well, it's a first time for me, पहली बार, तो हमने एक क्राबी में शूट किया था, बहुत मज़ा आया। It was a really beautiful sequence and yeah, I hope that people like what they saw. आपने भी compliment pay किया, thank you so much for it, and I hope everybody else also thinks that.
साबिर सर, here, मेरा सवाल ये था कि एक्शन सीक्वेंस जो होता है बड़ा टफ होता है फिल्मों में शूट करना, तो कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंस हो जो श्रद्धा के साथ या फिर टाइगर के साथ आपने शूट किया हो जो काफ़ी डिफिकल्ट होगा?
काफ़ी इंसिडेंट्स थे। एक्शन में क्या होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन करने के बाद भी एक्चुअल शूट पे एग्जैक्टली क्या होगा यू डोंट नो। सो टाइगर का शिन ऑलमोस्ट गया था। एक शॉट था जहाँ पे वो एक वॉश बेसिन को एक किक से तोड़ रहे थे, एंड वी हैड टू हैव अ ब्रेक इन द शूट। लग गया था. Shraddha pulled almost all her hamstrings, like she said. तो even though you prepare every day for it, आपको पता नहीं कि शूटिंग में क्या होगा.
तो नेक्स्ट फिल्म दोनों को एक्शन देंगे या नहीं देंगे, या फिर कोई लव स्टोरी
ये
होगी?
साजिद सर अनाउंस.
साजिद सर, से समथिंग अबाउट इट.
What?
नेक्स्ट फिल्म दोनों को आप मतलब एक्शन फिल्म में देंगे या रोमांटिक फिल्म में होंगी?
See, actually, the last 30 years, what I work is we work one film, and then we have to mutually decide after the film, kya hota hai, what happens, what are they interested, how is the director interested. But it's a very difficult journey for 1 year to wait. It's not easy to handle this tiger for 1 year without work. And his night calls at 1 o'clock or 12:30 messages, when are we starting? And so it's a difficult part to come to this final solution. I mean, this is the final product which you come, getting matching dates with Shraddha. She's so busy. About 3 months, 4 months of training, of action, Sabir going there in Bangkok, and then completing the whole film and looking at the film with a different perspective is also the job of the trailer guys, like Marching Ants. They've seen the trailer, they've seen this film in different way. That's why you see this product. So thanks to you, and that's it.
I hope for the best for all.
This kind of action actually reminds us of the superhero flick that's coming out at the end of this month, Batman versus Superman. Who are you rooting for, Batman or Superman, and why?
I'm rooting for Tiger.
Very simple. No weapons, no guns, no knives. He's the weapon. Bare hands, real fights.
Hello, Sajid. Sajid, raise your left.
See, I think there's room for all types of films. The more the merrier. Whatever's good, I think people will appreciate it.
Tiger,
At Nadyarwala Grandson Entertainment, we only make universal films. Sajid sir is known to make family films. We've kept the action in mind. It's for the kids. It's tough, but it's for the kids, not gory. आसान भी है, मुश्किल भी है. With him, you need to raise the benchmark. He's very good at action. So when you have a hero like him, you know that you have to rise up. That's what we tried doing from Hero Panthi to Bagi.
टाइगर
Sajid,
टाइगर प्रशांत ईटीवी से
हाय सर.
जैसा जिक्र किया साबिर ने कि कलरी पैट एक बहुत ही पुराना आर्ट है अगर फाइट के हिसाब से देखें तो आपके लिए सबसे खूबसूरत बात क्या रही, क्योंकि एक्शन को आप एक आर्ट की तरह ही देखते हैं.
बिल्कुल जी. I think मुझे एक मौका मिला to learn a new art. I would like to thank Shifuji, who's sitting here. Master, if you could stand up and just show yourself to him and to the audience. He's very shy, but he's very talented, and we really owe a lot to him when it comes to action in this film. He's really, shown us the roots of Kalari, and I think the authenticity of the martial art will be seen in the film. And I'm very thankful and blessed to have a master like him to teach me this art and to express it in Bagi. जी, thank you.
Thank you.
टाइगर, क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि एक्शन आपका जॉनर है?
जी फिलहाल तो I think it's too early to categorize me in something.
रोमांस भी बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
कोशिश तो करता हूँ मैं हर चीज़ करने पर हाँ अब I think it's too early to say. Let's see. I think Bagi has a little bit of everything. So once you see, maybe you can take a call.
टाइगर फिल्म में तो आप श्रद्धा के लिए बागी बने हो, बट रियल लाइफ में आप किसके लिए बागी बनोगे या बने हो?
श्रद्धा के लिए.
श्रद्धा के अलावा शायद मेरी माँ. I think for my mom. Yeah.
Congratulations to the both of you and the team for the trailer.
Thank you.
Really nice. But the cricket season is on. Who are you guys cheering for this time? Which, I mean, obviously India and Pakistan's match is the most awaited one. Which one are you guys waiting to watch?
Indian team, obviously.
Yeah, two more questions.
Hi, Siddharth over here, towards your left. So since the film is releasing in April and there's another film releasing alongside, so what sort of release are you planning for Bagi?
Well, we're planning a very wide release, and the good part today is that all kinds of films can coexist. So there's no issue with two films releasing on the same day. I mean, as long as the film is good, I think we are nowadays in a time when people want to watch good movies. So they'll watch both if both movies are good.
And will it have a wide release even overseas?
Yes, it will be a wide release around the world.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm from Filmy Curry. Towards your right.
Filmy Kadi.
Curry, yeah.
Curry.
Curry. Yeah, wonderful trailer. My question is to Sabir Khan. बहुत rare होता है ऐसा कि trailers में कोई भी song नहीं दिखाया जाता. तो ये उनमें से एक trailer है. तो what about the music of the film?
There are 5 really talented composers who've come together for the film. I take a lot of pleasure in making the music for the film, and I'm assuming and I'm hoping that you will enjoy the music. There's a lot of romance in the film, and I assure you that the music is really good.
श्रद्धा, एक गीत आपने भी गाया है इस फिल्म का अरमान मलिक के साथ.
शायद.
तो आप वो थोड़ा हम करना चाहेंगे हमारे लिए?
अभी नहीं.
फिर कब?
थोड़ा installments में हम आपको दिखाते हैं ना, एक के बाद एक.
और ये थीम क्या थी, अगर कोई बताना चाहे शाहिद भाई आप या साबिर की, ये सभी लोग चश्मे में हैं, मतलब अंधेरे में भी, तो ये क्या है एग्जैक्टली? डॉक्टर डैंग टाइप्स लाइक एवरीबॉडी इज, तो ये एग्जैक्टली क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं आप, जरा बताएं हमें.
ये बागी के थीम में आया है यार.
पीछे तो ऐसा बागी दिख नहीं रहा हमें.
This is a personal security of some people who are here, not here on the dais, but somewhere else.
Okay.
Shraddha, Abhishek here, right. Extreme right. Here.
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Enthu Cutlet.
Yeah, man, what's up? Can we say that the Lara Croft for India has arrived?
I don't know. Like, you guys will have to see it and decide that.
And, Tiger Sabir said a while back that you're also good in romancing. So how was it romancing your childhood friend?
It was very easy because, I was very comfortable from day one around Shraddha. Bachpan se hum dost hai. I think we've been in the same school. I've been a fan of Shraddha since her very first film.
I've been a fan of his since ये स्कूल में थे और he used to play basketball with so much passion. मुझे याद है कि टाइगर अपने बास्केटबॉल जर्सी में हमेशा रहते थे. Fully energetic and always like focused, and of course now you can also see that he's focused in what he's doing now. It's great. बहुत मजा आया.
Can I finish?
Sorry.
This is my question. So anyways, I was just very comfortable from day one. I remember the workshops when she used to come and Sabir sir used to take our readings. It was just, we used to have such a fun time just reading. And I think the romance in our film is quite strong. It's quite a strong element in our film. And she never once, felt uncomfortable or made me feel uncomfortable at all. And we were just always having fun and laughing. And just every time Sabir sir would say action, we would be in the zone. And every time he would say cut, then we'd just be having fun dancing or something like that. So yeah, it was fun working with her overall.
We were actually like, can you believe it? We're doing a movie together now. Because when you go to school with someone, and then you grow up, and then, of course, both of us, when you have a dream to act, and then you end up acting with someone you've gone to school with. So it's really surreal. So, pehle din se last din tak, we would be like, in between shots, we would be like, Tiger, can you believe it? हम एक picture कर रहे हैं साथ में. And he'd be like, Shraddha, I can't believe it. And so we were very excited to be working together.
All right. Thank you.
There's so many things I would like to say to them, but I see all of them in a uniform. So, I don't think they're on the wrong path right now. I think they don't need any tips from me. They're already on the right path. So just keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, I think बागी बनो पर एक मकसद के लिए. I think that's Thank you.
Sorry? What?
It's not a remake of any film. Just to put you correctly.
Thank you so much.
One more
Thank you
thing,
guys.
one more.
Thank you guys.
One more we love. Baghi is not complete without the music, and we would like the NG and
Bhushan ji.
Bhushan ji, please.
Yeah.
फोटो पहले फोटो
Let's get around that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's a chair, that's it. Yeah. Let's get around that.